Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do a review on this thing right here. This is called the Nursery Center Pack and Play by Baby Trend. We are going to show you how to assemble it, and also we will tell you what we think about it. If you are new here and always looking for reviews on baby accessories or household items, consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're interested in this thing after our review, there'll be a link in our description. Click there to purchase it. Alright, this thing comes in a little case, but for some reason it's got no handle. I don't see anyways, but it's pretty simple really. Take it all apart. Here's the main part of it. This was kind of tricky until I figured out how to do it. You're going to do one part at a time. There's one. Pull it up and it'll lock itself. Pull it up, it'll lock itself. Pull it up, and then push down. And it will all lock in place. But I'll show you how to disassemble it real quick because this was the part I was having problems with. But anyways, the first thing you want to do is you want to twist this handle, which it tells you, turn to unlock, then lift. Turn to unlock, lift. And then you have, there's a button you press, and you push down on each corner, or each side. And then that brings it back together. Pretty simple. But you'll see, one side at a time, and then you push down. Now if you just want to make this a playpen, this is your floor. It just folds up. You can put it in there. And then that's your floor. But right now we are using it for a newborn. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. You hook these poles together for your support. There's just two of them. They run parallel with each other. And you hook them together. And then this thing's pretty simple. It's got little plastic snaps that go on each side. You just push down basically, and it locks in tight. On each side, you just push down and it will snap in. Same with over here on these sides. You lock it in. Boom. And then you put the bed in, or the platform for it. Now if you were using this as a changing table or bassinet kind of deal, what we are using it for, this material's real easy to wipe up. Or also, you can buy a mattress cover for it, which we have, put it on and keep washing it. Either way, it works. It also comes with a mobile. It just snaps on also. This thing, I think, is kind of pointless because, I mean, really, you would have to just spin it yourself. It's got no batteries to it or nothing. All right, it also has whatever this thing's called, a diaper holder slash carrier of whatever you want to put in it. It just snaps on right here, here, or here, here, 4 different spots. And you just push down and it snaps right in there. All right, on one side, it's got wheels and locking levers. Push down to lock it so it can't move. And then this side is just regular legs. You just lift up and just push to move it on one side with the wheels. Okay, for our star rating, we give it a 4-star on this pack and play. It's easy to assemble, lightweight. You can basically take it anywhere, easy to clean, and it is well priced. And we will catch you on the next video. Peace! What would you call this thing?